Hey kids, let's learn about different colors in a fun and simple way.
Red for kids. Learn colors.
Green for kids. Learn colors.
Yellow for kids. Learn colors.
Orange for kids. Learn colors.
Purple for kids. Learn colors. Black for kids. Learn colors. Pink for kids. Learn colors.
Brown for kids. Learn colors. Gray for kids. Learn colors.
Most in blue for kids. Learn colors.
White for kids. Learn colors.